Hello YouTube, it's Leo here again with another extremely simple iPad tutorial. And what we're talking about here is the question I get asked the most in each one of my classes, which is, how do you turn these bad boys off? How do you turn an iPad off? And that is a legit question because nobody really knows how to do it these days, especially since they hide the button so well. Now, this is for my surfers, my elderly students, and I just want to talk a little bit about the power situation. So these iPads are great. They have great batteries on them, so they can hold a charge for about 10 hours of use. So you can use this for 10 hours straight before you have to plug it back in. But it is recommended, I recommended myself, to turn your device off every once in a while, every once a week or so. Also, not to overcharge it. Don't keep it plugged in 100% of the time. I know they have regulations for that now, with the power supplies and everything to regulate the voltage and the amps going in and all that. I still think that it's a good idea to unplug the device at night or when it's fully charged, not to leave it just refilling and refilling. I just get the sense that it's going to burn out your battery. Alright, but let's get to the matter. So, for my surfers, to turn on an iPad, well, my iPads at least are always turned on. And all you have to do is open the case and the sensor lets it know that it's being used, so the screen goes on. Now after 5 seconds, as we all know, it turns off to conserve power. Now just by hitting the red button, my sticker customization button here, turns the screen back on. Now to fully power this thing off, we're going to use the other physical button that this machine actually has, and it's the power button that is located on top of the iPad. If you look at my other camera angle, you can see it right here. There we go. It's a little button. It's really slim. You can barely see it, but what you can do with this is you can hold it, and as you're gonna see on my camera here, that once you hold it for a few seconds, you'll get a notification on top that says slide to the left or slide to the right to power the device off. So once you do that, there we go. The iPad goes completely off. Now even if you press the red button or the home button, nothing is gonna happen. Now, there we go. That's how you turn an iPad off for all my students. This is how we do. Now to turn it back on, it's as simple as holding the button again until you see the apple in the middle. That's the happy apple. Now, I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe, and then you can get to see a lot more of this simple stuff that nobody really needs to know about except my students.